Okay, your body fire, Joe. Oh baby, why not, Joe? I dare your matter, Joe. Come on now, let's go. Davido's latest sound, Awuke dance challenge. This is the spelling over here, guys. So this dance you have seen over here, this is the run-up of everything. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh baby, fire, Joe. Okay, oh matter. Baby jump, baby baby jump, so that's your one. Hold on tutorial, guys. So the first step is you move back with your leg going in zigzag form. So something like let your hand describe the feminine gender body. Oh baby, fire, Joe. Are you seeing it, guys? Oh baby, fire, Joe. I'm doing a 2-segment straps. Oh baby, fire, Joe. That's the first step, guys. It's an easy step. Just use your right leg to push your left leg back. Oh baby, fire, Joe. Then, but once you have gotten this first step, all you have to do is to add finesse to it, so that your one can be sweet like. Oh baby, fire, Joe. Something like that. So that's the first step. Then the second step is after. Oh baby, fire, Joe. You now move forward with this popular sharp popping dance. See that move, guys? Popular, how do I call it? Popular finesse dance from Kamsa. Just carry your hand forward, then how would I put it? Then just it's slow. Like that. So after you do this, go. Oh baby, fire, Joe. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the second step. So the third step is after oh baby, fire, Joe. Oh baby, Joe. This is the third step. You push to the right. So 2 hands. Move body. Push to the right, you go back, you hit your leg, hit your laps, your chest, your head. This is the challenge, guys. So, like this. Baby, fire, girl. Just eat any part of the body you like to eat, guys. It's a finesse tag. 1, 2, 3, 4. See this it I'm hitting here is in the sand, guys. We wear something like so everything together is oh baby, fire, Joe. I did it on my touch. See that step, guys. So that's the first 4 steps. First 4. Now the next step is the same finesse. Guys. After you hit the drum on top, you finesse again. So it's something like 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, let me try it. And then you my charger. Move body like move job. So that's Popoli dance. The other step is the leg walk. Popoli. You walk and dance Popoli dance. It's an easy dance. For those of you that cannot dance the Popo's dance, it's just something like this. 1, 2, 1. So I'll be doing this Poco dance tutorial in my next video. So just go watch that video if you can dance this dance. So now the best dance is Poco dance. Everything together is go. Oh baby, fire, Joe. I do it on my time. What's my head? Oh, go, Joe. Oh baby, Joe. And there's a moment. Nobody like to go, Joe, because you bust my head. So the next step is you bust my head. You bend down, your legs open, and you do the crazy move of your head. Roll your head. You roll your head, guys. Because you bust my head. You roll your head, guys. See that step? Just go. You bend down, find your leg, you roll your head and your arms together. So how you do this? Don't go down, next time, don't go, you boost my head. Do everything fast, not slow. You have to be fast. You boost my head. Please. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, baby, fire, Jeff. I did it on my time. But in the mustache, I could dig my idea. I did it on my time. You know, be like, go to it. She was fine. How many minutes? 6.
Nice.